What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So we actually have a very important IRS announcement that I want to get to today because I need you to stop wasting your money. Now, between the months of January and April, millions of people are worried about one thing. That is taxes. That's all they're worried about. Some want to know how much money are they going to get back as a tax refund. Others are just curious, will they even owe money? And if so, how much? Well, here's what I want you to understand. Many people just want to figure out what is the best way to file their taxes. Now, I'm not here to tell you to use this service over that service. What I'm here to tell you, and again, I'm not a tax professional, what I'm here to tell you is to go and seek a professional accounting firm or professional CPA if you need it. But there are other services out there that you can use. There's H&R Block and there's TurboTax, and some of these are going to help you and have actual tax planning. But again, every person's situation is different. All right? Now, if you need any assistance, you should go and get assistance if it's being offered. Now, here's where millions of people are actually wasting their money. They're simply paying to go and e-file their federal tax return when they really don't have to. You don't have to. Here's what you need to know. Roughly 70% of eligible taxpayers are eligible for the IRS free file tool. However, only 2% of taxpayers use this tool in 2022. That's according to the National Taxpayer Advocate. Now, they're actually hoping more people are going to use this free file this year in 2023. Now, let's address who can actually use this, and then I'll show you what you can actually do to go and access this. Now, here's the thing. Your income must be less than $73,000 in 2022, and you can go and use the IRS free file. Now, I do want to be very clear on something, and I'm going to show you in just a second, but certain online offers, you have to make less than $73,000. Okay? Now, this is to free file. Now, this will walk you through the tax process by asking you simple questions. Then they will guide you. It'll be a guided preparation. It will do all the math for you. It will input the numbers into the correct locations, right? Good. But what you do need to get started, okay, because I know this is a question a lot of people are going to ask. Well, first off, you need last year's AGI. That's your adjusted gross income. You need that. It's just for verification purposes only. That's the only reason why they need it. Then you need your social security number, and finally, all necessary tax forms. That's what you need, okay? Now, here's where you can go. You can actually go to apps.irs.gov, and you can get all this information I'm going to show you. But here are the 11 different online offers, okay? And I'm going to show you the difference between them. So here's it is right here, okay? And this is on apps.irs.gov, okay? So look at this. So this is the first one right here on the far left. It says your AGI must be between 41,000 and 73,000 right here, okay? And then for your age, you gotta be 65 years of age or older. This is from the IRS Free File Program delivered by easytaxreturn.com, and you can come here and you can click on the button. There's this one, fileyourtaxes.com, between 8,500 and 73,000, any age, okay? Free state filing, free state return if eligible for a federal return, okay? In those specific states. Military pay is included. There's TaxSlayer, probably one of the bigger ones, but TaxSlayer, $60,000 or less. You have to be 57 years of age or younger. Free federal filing, any state of residence. Free return, you see it right there. The earned income tax credit is included, and military pay is included as well. We can slide over, and you can see there's Tax Act, fileyourtaxes.com, Okay, IRS, this one, $73,000 or less, right? Now this one, the OLT, online taxes, 1040 now. You got Free Tax USA, you got Tax Act, OLT. You see all the different ones. There's 11 right there. Okay, so I'm not going to waste your time and go through all these because you can just go to apps. That's apps.irs.gov. You can go there and you can access all this same information. All right. So if you are currently looking into filing your federal tax return and it's going to cost you money, well, if you made less than $73,000, stop. Don't waste your money anymore. Go and use one of these free services. Okay. Go get the guidance that they're going to offer. Now, again, I like H&R Block. I like TurboTax. They work, and for certain people, you can get them for free. But at the same time, for others, they trick you into paying. And so these 11, well, we'll see what happens with these. But I do know, was it TaxSlayer? I think that's probably one of the bigger ones. That is, I believe they're still fairly good. All these are probably going to do the exact same thing, but according to reports, TaxSlayer is one of the easier ones to actually kind of maneuver through. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me down in the comment section below. Like I said, I am not a tax professional. I am by far not a tax expert. Just trying to give you some advice as to what you can do to potentially save some money, because we all know right now it's a tough time and every single dollar does count.